Hi folks, just a quick video here. It's Ed from ImmoTrack Online. A bit of advice on installing our ImmoTrack Go trackers. What you'll note is when they arrive, there's a sticker on the bottom and it will say on top, mount this side up. You'll see it there. It is critically important you do that because this is where the GPS antenna is. If this is mounted sideways or upside down, you'll get very poor GPS signal. Even though this unit has extremely good and extremely sensitive GPS antennas, if you do mount it upside down, you will struggle to get any kind of accurate tracking. Secondly, the power supply for the ImmoTrack Go is for permanent battery power. In fact, you mustn't connect this to ignition. It must be connected to positive permanent battery power, whether that's 12 volts for a regular vehicle or 24 volts for a 24 volt vehicle. This must be connected to power permanently. That is okay. The ImmoTrack Go consumes very little power, as low as 3 milliamps when sleeping. So to confirm, always make sure this side is facing up, closer to the higher part of the vehicle if possible to give yourself the best signal, even though the antennas in here are very sensitive, and always connect it to permanent battery power.